Hey, welcome back to Lingupedia. In today's lesson, we're going to learn some powerful and expressive English words that can really boost your vocabulary. These words will help you speak more confidently and sound more natural when expressing emotions, telling stories, or describing situations. Let's jump in.
Vast was the discord between them.
First, we have vast. This word means very large, something that feels endless. You might say, he has a vast amount of knowledge, or they live in a vast open space.
Vast was the discord between them.
Next is discord. This means disagreement or conflict. You can use it when there's tension between people, like, there was discord in the family after the argument.
Kingdom lived folk like you and me.
Folk is a more poetic or traditional way of saying people. You might hear someone say, the local folk are friendly, or old folk stories are full of wisdom.
A vain and greedy king to rule over them.
Now let's talk about vain. Someone who is vain cares too much about their looks or achievements.
They were forever discontent and envious of the wealth and beauty of their neighbors.
Discontent means quiet unhappiness or dissatisfaction. It's not always loud or obvious, but it's there. You might say, there's a sense of discontent at work lately.
They were forever discontent and envious of the wealth and beauty of their neighbors.
Envious means you feel jealous of what someone else has, maybe their success, looks, or lifestyle. A sentence could be, she was envious of her friend's new job.
My wish is that you'll never be blue.
Here's a lovely old phrase, never be blue. It simply means never be sad. You could say, I hope you're doing well and never feeling blue.
Entering assemblage, King Stefan.
Assemblage means a group of people gathered together. For example, an assemblage of artists met at the gallery.
Nobility, the gentry, and
Gentry refers to people from a high social class, the upper class or the well-off. You'll hear this more in historical or formal settings.
how quaint.
Quaint describes something charming and old-fashioned in a nice way. Think of a quaint little cafe or a quaint town with cobblestone streets.
Even the rabble.
Rabble is the opposite. It's a word for a noisy, disorganized crowd. It's usually used in a negative way, like, the speaker struggled to be heard over the rabble.
I, too, shall bestow a gift on the child.
And finally, we have bestow. This is a formal way to say give, usually as a gift or honor. For example, the teacher bestowed praise on the student for their hard work.